Добрый день. Меня зовут Роман Цибульский.
Hello, my name is Roman Tsibulsky, and I am the CEO of the company capsulesforyou.com. Our company offers equipment and technologies for encapsulating oils and various fats. These are vegetable oils that you see on the shelves in pharmacies. Behind my back is a new automated capsule production line using seamless technology. Our technology provides a capacity of about 90,000 capsules per hour. At present, no other company offers such equipment or technology. We have also developed a new shell of a plant matter called agar-agar. This is an algae-based powder which we use to make vegetarian capsule shells with remarkable characteristics. Our capsules have a round shape only. They are seamless, which ensures an undeniable advantage over technologies existing on the market. We do not have any residuals or rejected products. There is no need to dispose production waste, since all raw materials used in our technology is used to produce capsules. Behind me is a new automated encapsulation line with a capacity of 90,000 capsules per hour. This high speed can't be provided by any other equipment. Our line consists of several machines. The first machine is a special reactor where agar or gelatin gel is produced. The gel is made at a temperature of about plus 90 degrees Celsius. The gel is fed through the heated hoses to our encapsulator by a special pump. Capsules are formed from the gel and oil in the encapsulator. Then the capsules go out for washing and drying. This is a boiler, a heated tank with an agitator that makes the gel. There is also a pump, a system of heated hoses, the encapsulator itself, as well as a centrifuge for hydro extraction and washing of capsules after encapsulation. Our company has been producing encapsulators for 20 years, and until today, our equipment was, let's say, in the affordable price segment. And today we are ready to present you a completely updated design of the encapsulator made of stainless steel that meets all GMP requirements. All edges, all internal edges are made with a radius, which provides convenient use and guarantees the quality of washing. Our equipment operates at the highest possible speed. We have added special high-precision pumps that regulate the dosage of capsules and operational stability of the equipment. Commissioning and adjustment time has been significantly reduced. In addition to the high-precision pumps installed in our new encapsulator that maintain a stable pressure of all liquids, as well as an accurate dosage of capsules, all electronic components such as motors, pumps, gearboxes have parts made in Europe, Germany, and Italy. This ensures excellent quality and non-stop operation around the clock. We strive to make our products as reliable and pleasant for our customers as possible. If we compare the old model and the new one, we will see that everything has been significantly changed. It is difficult to assess the difference visually, although the appearance has become much more presentable. The transport oil cooling system has also been completely updated. We have shifted from dipping the cooling elements into the oil. Now we use a special container with a double bottom, which the refrigerant passes through. This increases the cooling rate of the transport oil and helps the encapsulator work more stably. We have also developed a system that ensures maximum speed of washing and disassembly of equipment for cleaning and day-to-day operation. All the wishes of our customers were taken into account and implemented in this new model. The new heated tank with agitator for gel production has enough material for 24-hour uninterrupted operation of the encapsulator. We have also implemented the possibility of automatic washing and drying of capsules, which significantly reduces the cost of manpower. When using our automatic line, you can't get much better service and quality of the equipment operation. This presentation video does not include our unique automatic capsule drying system. This is our know-how. We are not demonstrating it now so that competing companies cannot copy it. But believe me, we have achieved a wonderful technical solution that allows you to dry our capsules by 70% in 2 hours. After they are automatically moved within 2 hours from the moment they enter the drying chamber to the moment they exit it. You only need to dry them for 2 or 3 hours, perhaps on conventional plastic pallets. This significantly reduces energy and time costs until the capsule is dried.
Реакторы для приготовления геля мы
We
заказываем.
deliver heated tank with agitator for the gel production from a friendly factory in China. This factory, the only one we could find, has the appropriate certificates confirming European quality. This gel heated tank with agitator is also certified. We strive to ensure that our equipment has the maximum number of certificates, is suitable for use not only in the CIS countries, but also in other countries of the world.
Наш новый высокоскоростной капсулятор.
Our new high-speed GMP encapsulator is entirely manufactured by our company. We do the full production cycle, from manufacturing the case to assembling the last part and contacting suppliers of European quality consumables. We monitor the quality. And now in our office you can see a demo sample of this new encapsulator. It is behind my back. We will be glad to welcome you in our company. We strive to develop, make high-quality products, make products that have no analogs on today's global market, and we are always glad to see you as our dear customers who will appreciate our work and technical solutions that we have developed when making this automatic line. I will be very happy for any of your contacts. Please do not hesitate to contact me. All the best.